Hey, this is so beautiful. Are you looking for your next hair look? Watch this video to the end. I chose for you the best spiral curls hairstyles. Oh my goodness, you don't need to miss this. And the last one is heaven. These hairstyles are so trending. They are very recent. Of course, protective. They are easy to style. I got you different styles, different ways of styling it. You're gonna watch this video and you will know how you want to style it. Oh my god, these are called spiral curls hairstyles. This new year you need to change your looks. You need to look hot and attractive. Oh wow, just watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your very first time. Like, comment, share, and please don't forget that we upload videos on a daily basis. That's why I emphasize you to click on the notification bell to be notified about our new uploads. I am JK as usual, a professional hairstylist from Hair Crown UG. Please watch to the end and don't forget, I told you the last one is heaven. Wow. See you tomorrow. Please watch to the end.